Are certain industries more frequently targeted by Title III demand letters? Yes. Industries that operate business to consumer B2C platforms, especially e-commerce, tend to be more frequently targeted. Online stores, for example, can be accessed by users from anywhere in the country, which means accessibility barriers can also be reported from anywhere, making them more vulnerable to demand letters. Platforms where websites can be spun up quickly, often without accessibility considerations, are common targets. Industries like hospitality, hotels, ticketing platforms, and event bookings are also frequently affected due to their broad reach and transactional nature. On the other hand, hyperlocal businesses, such as a landscaping service that only operates in one town, are less likely to be targeted, simply because it's harder to demonstrate intent to serve customers nationwide. That said, legitimate accessibility concerns can arise in any industry, so all organizations should be proactive in addressing digital barriers. Accessible Web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our tools, services, and education offerings.